content in auto electronics. Today we are upgrading a standard 2014 and up Lexus IS cluster to the F Sport model. As you can see, this is the standard cluster that comes with the vehicle, and a popular upgrade is the F Sport version. So once you remove the original, just have to move some trim here and a few screws, so just work your way around. Most of it just pops out, like these bottom trim panels pop out just by hand. And then the new F Sport cluster is a little bit heavier. See the connection there. And that's an all-digital display. And this little gauge here moves. And you have a lot of different options for customization. We did match the odometer mileage on this customer's cluster here. And it is a direct fit with no error codes. Some people have reported they get error codes if they put in the wrong year, or a 350 versus a 250, certain error messages, but for this case we don't have any, and everything looks good. So that's a nice easy upgrade. And then we also carry brand new lenses, so if your lens is scratched or has issues, you can get a brand new lens from us, so it looks good. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.